kubalekile ukuthi sinazise ukuthi u-first cut njengamanje usesi approvile ukuthi ke yonke into yethu njengoba sesiyi-union and njengoba siyi-union siyi-majority but engeyona i-majority. Okay, so thina siwu-25 inum iwu-24 ilokhuze ikhona lo munye owu-2 wasa I think so. But lana into engibuka ezosi-affecta kakhulu asikwazi ukuba ne-shop steward singakafiki ku-50+1. Banabasebenzi abawu-157. So now thina we need to up our game sifike at least ku-50+1. Kusho ukuthi fanele sifike ku-half or 50 it's okay. 50+1, that means 51 would be okay. Sesingakwazi ukukhipha a-shop steward ezokhethwa ukuthi ibe kwilokhuze uma la emsebenzini befuna ukudila nama-issues angaphakathi. Fanele nina nikhiphe i-shop steward ezodila nani nama-issues enu esanfosayo ngaphakathi. Nenum nayo ayikakabi nayo i-shop steward. So thina-ke kufanele senze sure ukuthi i-shop steward yethu iyaphuma quickly ezomela nje abasebenzi ngoba uma sishaye u-50+1 sobe sibamele bonke abasebenzi. Uyayithola loo nto leyo. Number 3 sinama-issues la ebebethi kufanele siwaxoxe today, then we refuse ngoba beningekho. Okay, lawa yes yonke la that no asikwazi ukuwaxoxa bengekho abasebenzi. Njengamanje thina we were called sizo facilitator into ye-union nenkampani. So now when it comes to ama-engagement elokhuze enkampani nama-grievances abasebenzi kuyomele ukuthi abasebenzi babe khona, babe involved, because we don't want the situation where abantu sizothi sithi sibamele thina with no information. So bona-ke sithe lo amhlangano uNgcobo ukhona is going to facilitate it with you guys. Okay, ngabe njobe khona nje simdeploye la eGoli, simdeployele ukuthi whatever that is not clear about lama grievances senze sure ukuthi one everything you guys you must assist uMapolo to provide the evidence. Andikhona labantu imali emsebenzini bangangena ma-compensation sekuyisikhathi manje ukuthi nilethe ama-documents that are talking about that. Very good. Yeah, wenze kahle. Very good. Ngoba la manje ngiyayibona bayafuna abantu bafuna more information. Uyayizwa lona. So kungakho-ke we didn't go there. Said no, asikwazi ukuzala ngokunye bese siya-ambusheka ngokunye. La into esizele thina ma-representatives abasebenzi silana for the sake yokuthi sizo-facilitator into yokungena kwe-union or section kuthiwa singena ngo-section 12 and 13. So uyeza ku-14 and 21 uma nina seniqede uku-recruiter. Uyayizwa lona? Yeah.
Okay, kusho ukuthi angifuni ukuthi mhlambe ukuthi kube ngathi siyezwa nje isidingo semnyama. Kusho ukuthi nabafuna lo 50+1 kusho ukuthi bakhawunte wonke ama-branch.
Yes.
Because benjani all this time from uNomsangena because mina ngisuka nayo uNomsa eJunisty nekhampani 21 years manje nekhampani. We negotiating, that's why sibona kuna 2 shop steward. Let's negotiate now. A planting, we are majority. Then that's first class. All these years. That's how it is. Then until March.
lalela-ke mfowethu nomkhulu umkhapha
Okay.
voice lalela kufika abanye abantu bayayazi i-effect esiza nayo
Yeah.
umndeni wakho phela sikhuluma nasemakamereni kodwa bayayazi into esiza nayo uqala 2 bayazi ukuthi uma bengasidedela la ngale ndlela ebenimi ngayo nina kuzokwenzakalana yabona so thina futhi amandla okuqoqonke lama branches nawo lento abayifunayo asibayekeni basijombise zonke lezi zinto abasijombisa zona sinawo amandla okwaqoqonke lama branch okuqala okwesibili njengamanje uma bekhuluma ngabasebenzi aba-157 sino 15.9% walokho sino 16% sishoda no-35% or 36% ukuzisifika sizoqoqa lo 36% sobuyisa ngoba indlela bebesebenza ngayo before le-union lama-union amanye before bebesebenza nawo ngoba benza per plant ngoba bazi ukuthi le-union sisebenza nawo insilo siyakwazi ukuyicontrola la siyakwazi ukuyicontrola la so manje bona bathi bayinkampani bakhiwe place eyodwa noma bekuma-provinces ahlukahlukene angithi basithumela kwamanye ama-members ukuthi siwaqoqe siwabuyise thina sonqoqa nonke first cut nikhulume ngezwe elilodwa ilokho okubalulekile mina ngihambisani vele nokuthi abasegoli